Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add overlay in Canva, so we can do it in videos as well. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's go to the upload and let's say the first video is this one. Let's set it as the background, and let's say I want to put this video here as well. And yeah, and this is how you overlay. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.